Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to one more video from Hyperpix Productions. I'm Mary and I'm so glad to be back with one more so attractive product which you're going to love from Hyperpix 80s Text Effects collections. And in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can work with this beautiful product and convert your text or your logos into this beautiful style just with a single click without needing to have any special knowledge in Photoshop. You just need to download this file and just follow me to the end of this video. So to access this product, just refer to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and they're going to access this style and all the other styles you see there. So note this, like all of our other products, this text effect also works great on all the other languages. This is how it works on Japanese, and also it works brilliant on logos. Just check out how amazingly this Audi logo is turned into this attractive style. And all you need to do is just insert your logo and get to this brilliant style. Just follow me and I'm going to show you how you can work with this style. To get started, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears here, we have our text right here. We just double click on the yellow layer one more time and type our ideal text. So I'm going to type my text. We can edit our text right here. Change the font and any other changes you want. For instance, S and H are connected together right here. And we want to just separate them. Just need to select S and just create a little gap in between the S and the H right here. So it's perfect. Also, our text has a little bend, which if you want to change this bend, just select the text layer and right click on the yellow layer and the section right here and select warp text. So by changing the bend and just customizing over here, handling, you can just change this wave and this bend, or for instance arch, and wherever you like. And so also, so you can be much more free and control this style. Our designers have done great in this part right here for you, and they have created some amazing options which you can just handle this wave right here, move it around, and also from both sides you can drag or you can just pull and change around the pattern and place it wherever you want. I'm going to just customize a little, and also at the bottom right here we have a shadow which is completely editable, and we can just drag and place it wherever you feel like it looks better. Just close and click save. Everything's ready. We're just going to wait a moment till our style is applied. As this text effect has many layers and is complicated, it might take a little moment, so we're going to wait a little. And here we have our impressive, honestly special result. Also, the 3D effect is applied. Light reflections is so professional and brilliant. So I'm going to get on with the rest of the layers just before. From the effects folder, group extrusion, one more time extrusion. So we have 11 levels of extrusion, which is our 3D effect, which we have placed here. So if you want to lessen the 3D effect, we just need to switch off some of these layers. I'm just going to place it on a 5 and half the 3D effect. So we're going to wait a moment till it's applied, and here we have our great result, which is so attractive, and it's not protruding out so much, and the depth is not as before, and it looks brilliant. So if you just want to keep all 11 layers on, you can just leave it as default. So guys, notice that as this text effect has many layers and it's very complicated to create this brilliant style, it might make your system slow down a little while and during you're working with the style. I suggest you, if you're sure with your text, with the font, with everything, and you don't want to change it anymore, just merge the extrusion levels, so your 11 levels is turned into a single level, and you can get on with your editing much more faster. So I'm going to just select all of these levels, and with Control and E button, we have merged layers and they're turned into a single layer, and we can get on with editing much more faster right now. The next thing which I need to explain is this a light which we have shining from the background right here, which we have also the highlight right here, which you can select and drag towards up or just drag towards down. So honestly, it's magnificent. Any more down you drag this light, the intensity is going to decrease. Also with Control and T, you can drag from both sides and just make it much more wide and spread the light towards the edges, or you can just bring it right in the center. And as you see, we don't have the highlight on the edges of your text. So however you feel it looks better, and wherever you like, you can just leave it right there. We just leave it right here, and just notice that you also have a complete control on the opacity and the intensity of this brightness, which you can decrease the opacity. For instance, I'm just going to decrease a little, as you see, which is decreased so much. So we are done right here. We come back to the first group. We have adjustments right here, which are the settings of color, brightness, and contrast. So which is some very complicated and professional options our designers have created right here, which there's so many options which you can select each one in one edit and get to some totally new results. So do not take the time in the video, I'm not going to get into it. We have vignette right here, which is the inner shadow all around your star, which you can just increase the intensity right here. And as you see right here, the effect, which gives a brilliant and attractive cinematic effect. So we have noise on and noise off, which is one of the attractive layers, which you can control the noise spread all over your star. You just need to switch noise on off and noise off on. As you see, we don't have any more noise on our spot. It's to just give this nostalgic feeling, which is inspired from the 80s text effects mostly. So which if you just don't like, you don't enjoy it, just switch it off. Don't forget to just leave one of the layers on. So in the next layer, we have the text at the top right here, which you can also edit. Just double click however you like. So we have this text right here, which I'm just going to edit it just like this. And we have our line right here, and also the text at the bottom, which you can also edit them completely and have a total complete on every single layer. I'm just going to drag it down a little. You can also make the line a little small, and just like this. So it's brilliant. I'm not going to edit the text anymore, just leave it as it is. So we're done with the text. We have the sparkle section like always, which is the most attractive part of our style, which you need to just select the sparkles manual one by one and place them in the right place in all different parts of the text, preferentially on the edges, which multiplies the beauty of your text and gives this such impressing light reflection. As you see, just check out the effect which we have right here after putting the sparkle right here. Honestly, is fantastic. So to not take the time of the video, I'm not going to carry on, but don't forget to continue placing them, and you just need a little patience and a little effort, but you're going to be surprised with your beautiful result. So we finally get to the effects folder. Guys, just ignore the effects folder because it contains the main layers of our star and contains so many layers. We have the triangle, which is this triangle in the background right here, which also has a shadow under the text, which you can drag towards down or up or wherever you want. But the shadow is connected and is linked to the text. So if you want to just drag the shadow by itself, you just need to click on this icon right here, and they're separated right now, and you can just drag the text separately and the shadow separately just like this, as you see the effect. So we're done right here. Finally, we have the background folder right here, which contains this so adorable galaxy in the background, which when we switch it off, you can also have a totally different result, which is so attractive. So guys, we're finished with today's style. As you saw how easy it was to work with the style, everything's so neat and clean and in layers. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sure you agree with me. If you want to access and download the style, just refer to hypepix.net and get the membership, and you're going to have a complete access to all of our product. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, bye to your next video from Mary.